Got plastic bottles piling up at home? Before you toss them out, wait. Today I'm sharing amazing ways to transform everyday plastic bottles into incredibly useful household items. From clever storage solutions to handy tools, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Let's turn your trash into treasure. Tired of messy bags cluttering your cabinet? Take a plastic bottle and glue a tissue box lid to it. Neatly fold the bags in several layers so they take up less space. Place the folded bags in the bottle and close the lid. Now you can easily pull them out one by one and save cabinet space. Inconvenient to store tools in a cramped box? Take a plastic jug and cut holes of different sizes on all its sides. You get a convenient organizer, each tool in its place and always within reach. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle and attach a balloon to its neck. Insert a nut into the balloon, pull it back and shoot at a hard surface. The nut will crack easily. Make a hole in a plastic bottle and insert a rod. Attach the bottle with the rod to a board so it can rotate. Attach a wooden block on the bottle neck side. Place bait inside the bottle. When the mouse enters for the bait, the bottle will tilt and the neck will close. Don't forget to release the caught mouse into the wild. Heat the neck of a plastic bottle with a lighter and press it with the lighter body. You've made a convenient soda bottle opener. Take a syringe and cut off its front part. Cut a hole in the cap of a large plastic bottle to fit the syringe. Insert the syringe into the hole and seal it tightly on both sides. Cut the bottom of the bottle, leaving one side. This creates a hinged lid. Pierce a hole in the upper part and make a hook from a paperclip to secure the lid. Thread a zip tie through the holes in the upper part of the bottle. Mount the structure on a pole or tree. Pour water through the lid. Now you have a convenient outdoor hand washing station. Take a glass bottle and a plastic bottle. Cut off the top part of the plastic bottle. Attach the cap to the glass bottle and lower it into the cut bottle. Foam the space around the glass bottle with mounting foam. Cut off the excess dried foam at the top. Wrap the entire structure with aluminum tape. The homemade thermos is ready. It will keep drinks hot perfectly in nature. Drill holes in the cap and bottom of a plastic bottle. Insert silicone tubes into the holes and seal them tightly with hot glue. Lower one end of the tube into a container with liquid, pinch the other end and squeeze the bottle several times. This creates a vacuum and the liquid will start flowing by gravity. Take a large plastic jug and cut it lengthwise in half, leaving a connecting part at the bottom. Fold something inside, the jug opens like a suitcase, and the screwed cap becomes a lock for safe storage. Hot in the room? Make a hole in a plastic bottle and cut off the bottom. Straighten a paperclip, make loops and hang the bottles on the fan blades. Load ice into the bottles and turn on the fan. The homemade air conditioner is ready. The cool air will even delight your pet. Cut the bottom part of the bottle at an angle. Apply the cut to a hot iron to round the sharp edges. Make a hole in the upper part. You get a convenient scoop for collecting debris when drilling. Cut the bottle in half and make holes. Mount the bottom part of the bottle on the sink. Put small waste there. When it fills up, just throw out the contents. Place a bottle of water on a board. As you can see, an ordinary bottle can replace a construction level when needed. A light bulb broke and sharp fragments remained in the socket. Don't touch with your hands, it's dangerous. Heat the neck of a plastic bottle and insert it into the socket. When the plastic hardens, safely unscrew the bulb remains. Make a hole in the top of the bottle and cut off the bottom of another bottle. Glue the bottleneck down into the cut bottom. Pour water into the bottle and screw on the cap. Turn the structure over, you get an automatic bird waterer. Take an old compact disc and glue a plastic bottle cap to it. Make holes in the cap and disc. Place the structure on the sink drain, you get an excellent trash filter. Cut off the bottom and top of a plastic bottle. Roll out the dough and cut out shapes. Place cookies on a baking sheet and bake. Original cookie cutters are always at hand. Spread plastic bottle caps on parchment paper and cover with a second sheet. Iron with a hot iron over the paper. The caps will melt and connect to each other. You get a bright and unusual hot dish stand. Cut off the neck of a plastic bottle with the cap. Make a hole in the cap and mark places on the shower curtain. Insert the neck into the curtain hole and screw the cap on top. Repeat for all attachments. Insert plastic loops into the cap holes and put on the rod. The curtain will hold much more securely. Cut off the top of a plastic bottle and attach a sharpener blade to the neck. Insert a roll of tape inside the bottle and pull the end through the neck. Now it's easy to cut the right length with one hand. Mark the spoon shape on a plastic bottle and cut it out. Process the edges with a lighter to round the sharp cuts. The disposable spoon is ready, convenient to use on a picnic. Secure a utility knife blade in a wooden block with a groove using screws. Insert the edge of a plastic bottle into the slot and pull. You get strong ropes for household needs. Outdoor switch getting soaked by rain. Cut off the top of a plastic bottle and make a small notch. Put the protective cap on the switch. Now the electrical components are reliably protected from moisture. Powder spills when pouring into the washing machine? Use the top part of a plastic bottle. Now it's convenient to dose powder through the neck, and the cap will keep it fresh. Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle and make a hole in the lower part. Cut off the excess, leaving only a ring with a hole. Secure the bottle with the ring and place a ball of yarn inside. A convenient knitting holder is ready. Make a hole in a plastic bottle cap and insert half a cotton swab. Attach 2 chopsticks to the bottle with tape. Pour water into the bottle and place it in a flower pot. You get a slow automatic watering system. Cut off the top of a plastic bottle and make a longitudinal cut. Mount the bottles on the wall and place bag rolls inside. Pull out bags through the slot. Convenient wall dispensers are ready. Cut off the bottom and top of a plastic bottle. Connect the parts with a rubber band and attach a toy ball to it. Pour food inside and mount under the table. Cats pull the ball and get treats. An interactive feeder will entertain your pets. Cut a strip from a plastic bottle and make a hole in it. Make one end of the strip narrow with scissors. Thread the narrow end through the hole. You get an adjustable clamp. Use for binding cables or other items. A convenient zip tie is always at hand. Cut off the top and bottom of a plastic bottle, leaving teeth for fixation. Attach the structure to the water cooler and place plastic cups inside. Take cups from the bottom one by one. A convenient cooler dispenser is ready. Take 3 plastic zip ties, secure one on the cap, the second on the bottle neck, and connect them with the third. Now the cap will always be near the bottle and won't get lost. Broom handle broke? Wrap the break with tape. Put the middle part of a plastic bottle on the handle and heat with a hairdryer. Now the broom will serve a little longer. Remove the handle from a large plastic bottle. Mount the handle on a board or wall. You get a convenient tool holder. Take 2 large plastic bottles, cut off the bottom parts and connect them together. You get a convenient toy box. Cut off the protruding parts at the bottom of a plastic bottle. Cut off the bottom of a large bottle and mount it on the first bottle. Make a hole in the cap and insert a hook. Pour food inside and hang on a tree. The bird feeder is ready. Missing handles on desk drawers? Glue plastic bottle caps. A simple and convenient replacement is ready. Cut a large plastic bottle in half. Place toilet paper in the bottom part and cover with the top part. You get a convenient toilet paper container with easy access through the neck. Vise leaving marks on the table? Use a plastic cap. Tighten the vise. The cap will protect the table surface from damage. Trash can overflowing with plastic bottles? Unscrew the cap. Crush the bottle and screw the cap back on in compressed form. Much more will fit.